Maximizing a small space is tough, especially when you have items you want to add. In this video, see how we transformed an empty space through smart planning. Now, we're working on Mads' space with a minimalist interior style. First, let's begin with the finishes. Here's how the space looked before. An empty, open-plan layout. It needed a smart layout that kept the space open yet functional. For this space, you can start with the ceiling, walls, and flooring. These elements had to work together. You can keep the ceiling clean and simple, and with recessed pin lights installed across the surface to match the minimalist style. Then walls were painted in a soft, off-white color to keep things bright and neutral. While the flooring, you can use large format beige tiles to create a seamless look and help the space feel bigger and more open. You can see that this finishes create a cohesive look with the right choices of paint and materials. So now, let's move on how you can plan and design each areas to maximize the space. Let's now talk about the multi-purpose area. As requested by the owners, this space serves as a receiving area, storage corner, and a creative music nook, all in one. So now, for small space, choose items that serve more than one function. First, to subtly separate this area, you can use a flatwood panel and a low cabinet partition that features vertical slat details. This helps create a visual separation while also offering extra storage, perfect for small spaces. Above, you can add an open, overhead shelf, which acts like a visual ceiling divider and gives the area a more defined feel without closing it off. Now start with the receiving area. On one side, a tilt-out shoe cabinet offers smart storage in a slim profile, making the most of limited floor space. Above it, floating cabinets go upward to take advantage of ceiling height. To enhance the space visually, a rectangular mirror helps double the perceived space while adding depth. Next to this small storage, you can place a cushioned bench with storage without making the space feel crowded. If you also like this kind of style, you can get it for only $120. This setup offers efficient storage solutions while keeping the area feeling light, open, and functional. Now, let's move to the music nook. Start with the corner, where a curved corner shelf can be installed. It keeps the space feeling light and open. Mads has musical instruments, so we need to arrange them properly in the space. The Kawai ES120 keyboard, with a padded chair along the window, doesn't cause distraction when entering. A guitar on a stand and a ukulele can be displayed on a tall, curved corner shelf. This setup maintains clear floor space and preserves a light, open feel in the small room. Then you can use layered blinds, allows control over brightness, helping the space feel more open and adaptable. Now, each item is arranged properly, even though the areas serve different functions. The layout feels balanced and organized, making the space more comfortable and easy to use. Let's take a look at the laundry area, a space often overlooked in small homes, but in this project, it was designed to be both smart and seamless. First, you can put your laundry machine against the wall beside the door. Next to it is a counter cabinet with an integrated sink, finished with black speckled granite for both the countertop and backsplash, adding a clean and stylish touch. Then, you can add upper cabinet with open shelf to store laundry items. This kind of laundry setup can be concealed behind custom built-in cabinet with slatted sliding doors, which provide ventilation while keeping the area tidy and hidden. Now, on the left side, a full-height matte white cabinet offers extra closed storage, ideal for cleaning supplies or other household items. Everything in this laundry area is intentionally designed, combining functionality and clean aesthetics, perfect for small homes where every space needs to serve a purpose. In small homes, every corner counts, and this compact space under the stairs proves just that by being turned into a functional pet corner. So let's work on that. To enhance the look, you can install vertical wood slats panel on the angled wall, adding texture and tying it in with the overall interior style. One smart detail in this area is the floating shelf, positioned at the right height to hold daily pet essentials. Next, a built-in partition with floating shelves was also added to make the most of the understair area. It's a smart way to display decor without making the space feel cramped. The floor was kept open, allowing space for a thick, washable dog mattress, making it safe and cozy for pets of all sizes. After setting that up, you can also place a doghouse that fits the space well, with enough room for medium to large dogs. If you want this for your pet, you can buy it for around $80. So now, this small nook now serves a purpose, activity, and a dedicated pet haven. With thoughtful planning, even the tightest corners can be both beautiful and functional. Now, let's move on to the final touches, the decor and layered lighting, and how these elements add character without making the small space feel cluttered. For the decor, keep it minimal to maintain an open and calming feel while adding a bit of warmth and personality. You can place a vase with flowers, a few curated books, a photo frame, or other meaningful items. These soften the space and help break up the vertical lines of the shelves visually. Next, the wall art. You can consider adding abstract pieces and pet-themed illustrations, especially in the understair pet area. This personalizes the space and makes the corner feel more cozy and inviting. As for layered lighting, recessed LED strip lights are installed evenly throughout areas like the laundry and shelving, providing soft, warm ambient light. This even distribution helps make the space feel brighter and more thoughtfully designed. There are also wall sconces, used as task lighting and to highlight art pieces. These provide focused light without taking up floor space, while also enhancing the room's overall ambiance. Now, for the main lighting, a dome pendant light is a smart and stylish choice. It brings shape, warmth, and a touch of drama to the minimalist setting without overwhelming it. Every fixture and decor piece was carefully chosen, not just for looks, but to support the space's function and flow. This is the smart way to maximize a small space through layered lighting, purposeful decor, and making every corner count. Let's now take a tour of the complete makeover. This is our 54th project, the 100 Interiors Challenge, covering the multi-purpose lounge area, laundry, and pet corner. Lately, we've been getting a lot of inquiries about our services, so to accommodate those who urgently need interior design, we're now accepting priority requests. Also, if you need urgent design, visit our website at www.designburst24.com. If you have any comments or suggestions, feel free to share them in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe.